Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got a fun one. Today we're going to be transforming the front end of my vintage Porsche 944. I actually have a similar titled video dating back a number of years ago, but this video is a little bit different. And that's because we're actually changing something major to this front end. So that last video we actually put these halo lights on, but in this video we're going to be doing something a bit more major. And that transformation that we're going to be doing is this guy right here. Now this guy is actually a snub nose bracket for the front of my car. So this guy's actually going to be pushing in the front bumper to my car. Now yes, there are other ways to do it, which involves drilling holes actually into your bumper bars itself. But I thought this would just be a better, easier, less stressful way of doing things. So without further ado, let's get started. So to start off, I'm going to be doing the impact. There's 2 bolts underneath here on either side. From there, I'll be able to take off the bumper. From there, we got to disconnect all my lights. And then I'm just gonna gently set her on the ground. So now we're gonna take our 13, stick it on there, and that is 1 down. So when looking at these, this is the passenger side one and this is the driver's side one. And this one looks original. This guy actually looks replaced. Oh, maybe there's a little pushed in bumper action some time ago. So here is our shorter bracket that we're putting in. And we're just gonna compare that to this guy right here. So it's actually a fair bit shorter. Quite a bit shorter. Alright, let's put these new brackets in. So this guy is gonna... Okay. Hey guys, we finally got the bracket on. Took a little bit more time than I expected putting the bolts back in, but that's alright because the finished product is magnificent. So without further ado, let me show you guys. So guys, there you have it. That is the, I want to say, V1 completion of my front bumper. Now, I have some other plans that I don't know if will ever come to fruition, but they're plans and ideas nonetheless. So, with that being said, guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and go check out Only 944 if you want your bumper to look pushed in like mine.